Hey everyone, I see it comes up quite a bit about how to get water stains off your hull. Got one to do today, so I'm going to take a video of it. Pretty simple. I'm going to use a commercial product that everybody should be able to get. Only difference is I add spray bottle top. Alright, today it's going to be a 390 Sea Ray, one of the shoebox boats, because they kind of look like that. Decent boats, but this one just got shipped in, I think, from Virginia, so I'm going to clean it up and I'll show you how to do water lines. Okay, here's the boat, here's the water line. It's not down the whole side, but concentrate on the front here. Take some of this. I spray it on when it's heavy like this. And you'll pretty much see it start going away on its own. This boat's getting a new bottom, so I'm not going to worry about it if it drips. Take your hull cleaner, let it sit for a minute. Pretty simple. You get some spots where it didn't come out way up. Just spray a little more. And also note, I'm not wearing gloves. It feels like it's 100 today, and I'm just doing this video to show you. So I didn't bother putting any on. But there you go, 100% better. I got a little touch-ups to do, but there you go. In here, we got a spot like this, or in between the stripes. This one doesn't, but we do. Put some acid on a rag. Pretty simple. Just put a little more on. This way you don't mess up your bottom paint. And always check under the chine. See this? Spray a little acid on it. Let it sit. It wipes right off. There you go. That's how you get your mustache water lines off. Well, thanks for watching. Look back for more. This whole boat's getting rubbed out, so it's going to be a minute here, but that's how you remove water line stains. Thanks for watching.